Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wise to reduce international payout fees, complete guide step by step clearly. To start configuring Wise to reduce international payout fees, first, visit the Wise website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one by providing the necessary personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section in your account dashboard. In this section, look for account details to review your account information. Next, ensure that you have the correct bank details for both your home and recipient countries. Add any missing bank accounts by clicking on Add a Bank Account and entering the required details. Now, head to the Balances tab to check your current currency balances. Consider holding multiple currencies to avoid unfavorable exchange rates when making payouts. To add a new currency, click Open a Balance and select the desired currency from the list. After setting up your currency balances, return to the settings and find the section for Payment Methods. Choose the most cost-effective payment method for your needs, comparing options such as debit card, bank transfer, or credit card. For international payouts, select a bank transfer as it usually incurs lower fees. Now, check for any applicable fee or exchange rate information on the payment page before confirming your transaction. If you regularly send money internationally, set up repeat transfers within Wise to minimize future fees. Keep an eye on promotions or referral programs Wise may offer, as these can further reduce costs. Finally, monitor your transaction history to understand your fee structure and make adjustments as necessary. With these steps, you should be well on your way to configuring Wise effectively to lower your international payout fees. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.